from your Suffolk Public Library. This month I'm doing a special recipe for Native American Heritage Month from this library book, Foods of the Americas, Native Recipes and Traditions by Fernando and Marlene Davina. I'm doing a simple vegan recipe in their soup section for northern bean and hominy soup. I'm going to use 2 cups of northern beans. I soaked these overnight so they are ready to go. If you get dried beans, you've got to soak them overnight and rinse them. And then 1 cup of hominy, and I was not able to find dried hominy, so I have to use the canned hominy, and I rinsed it, and I add that later because it's the canned hominy. And 3 to 4 green onions, I sliced the white parts, and then 3 celery stalks sliced up, and then a little bit of kosher salt. So we put the beans have soaked overnight. I drained the beans and discarded the water. So now I'm gonna put the beans and the hominy in my hot pan and cover it with my my vegetable stock. All right, we'll start with that. We got 2 cups of beans. And then I'm going to cover them with stock. And we're going to let that simmer for about an hour. And gonna have to stir to make sure it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pot. And then skim off any impurities from the beans. It's just the nature of cooking with beans. And then after that, we'll go to our step 2. All right, now we've got our beans broken down a little. I've skimmed off some things that came up with the beans. Now I'm going to add the canned hominy and the onions and celery and a little salt. And then we cook it for about an hour until all the beans and the hominy are tender, and we can ladle it right into warm bowls and enjoy. So here's our hominy. I measured out 1 cup, and our celery and green onions. And now it's gonna need more liquid to cover our parts. So I'm pouring in more to make sure that it stays covered. We'll just cover it all. And a little salt. Just to your taste with the salt. And then we'll let it simmer, stirring to sort of make sure nothing gets stuck on the bottom of your pot. And at the end, we're gonna have a hearty, delicious soup based on a vegetarian recipe. It is also a Native American recipe. The thing I love about beans is that with a little cooking, they get this creaminess in a plant-based food. So you can see we're simmering here. I'm stirring occasionally. gonna skim off some of this bean juice. And at the end, we're gonna have a nice creamy, warm, hearty soup based all on plants. This month is Native American Heritage Month, which is why we're looking at a native recipe book. I encourage you to go see our story walk for the book Fry Bread. It's in 2 places in town, Lake Mead, and then there's another trail. And check SuffolkPublicLibrary.com for all of our great programs and activities, some in person, some virtual, all free. That's delicious. Now I'm just gonna clean up this part.